Let's start or continue with this cool video of these classical Italian wine windows from the 16th century, these Renaissance wine windows. These are very cool things. They became popular in the 16th century in Italy, mostly around Florence or Firenze. Actually, not a lot of people know that the original reason for these wine windows was to basically tax evasion. They were used by the winemakers to get into this gray zone of taxation to sell wine directly to the consumers walking on the street, because the tax systems in the 16th century Italy were more focused on selling to public locations and selling by merchants, and with this way they could kind of trick the system and not pay taxes. But actually in the 17th century they became even more useful when the plague hit Europe, and these windows were like the social distancing of that time, and it was more safe to serve wines through these windows without the human contact. So that's when they got even more popular. And some windows, as you can see in this video, are still active right now and being used, and people are enjoying it, and it's a fun way to purchase wine while visiting Italy.